Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to SK Technologies. So in the previous session, we understood what is NFS. So what are the things you need while if you want to implement the NFS, and we discussed right minimum two servers we required, NFS master and NFS client, and also what are the things you need to perform on the master server, on client server, and on both servers. So technically we will see how to implement, how to configure those and all by step by step. Fine. I already created two servers. Whatever you are seeing in the left side, it's a master server, and the right side it's a client server. So if you observe the first step, we have to install the NFS package on both servers. So let me try to install. You can simply go with the yum list nfs-utils. This is the package name. Let me list out. See, it is in the available list means it's yet to install. Simply, you can use the same command, but the option is install. Okay, I will pass -y here itself. See, it is installing. In the right side also, client servers also I will try to install. yum yum. So list nfs-utils. It is available. Let me install yum install. This is the package name -y and package name. That's it, guys. Installation has been done. So both servers completed. Now next thing is you have to start the service. Okay. So service systemctl. This is the command systemctl start nfs-utils. Actually, in previous days we were using this service as a nfsd, but latest updates happened recently, so that is the reason they maintaining the nfs daemon name as a package name also, nfs utils only, nfs utils. So let me start the service. The client also we need to start, right? So click systemctl start. If you go with the d, it will show an error. See, this is the error. That's the reason you can go with the NFS utils, same name. Now you can verify the status. Status, see, active. Anyhow, you can ignore this. It's anyhow running only. You can check here also status. So both side service is running. Okay, so running, guys. Now what we need to do? We need to enable the NFS port number. The security group, we are using both service servers in the AWS only, right? So I already prepared the dedicated video. Anyhow, I will show you. So these are the steps we are implementing, right? So let me copy all this, and let me write the commands also. Okay, so how to install this nfs package, you can go with this command called yum install nfs-utils. You can go with -y also. Okay, both side. Then how to start the service means, you can go with the systemctl start nfs-utils. Okay, this is the command. This is what I have done. Now I will open my Amazon mission AWS console. There I will enable my ports. Let me show you. So this is my Amazon console page. So here first let me enable in the master server. This is my master server. So click on security, click on the security group name. Then in the right side bottom, you might see edit the inbound rules. So here you have to enable the port. What is the port number, guys? Please mention in the comment port number. Anyhow, I am showing here 2049. This is the port number. So save the rule. That's it. Master side I have enabled. In the client side, both side we need to do, right? So go to here and select your mission. This is my client mission, which is Red Hat. So same, you can click on the security, click on the security group name, then edit the inbound rules, then add rule, then 2049 is the NFS port. This is the default port. Click on anywhere from the IPv version 4, then save. Anyhow, we are not accessing from outside, internal only we are using it. Fine. That's it, guys. Both side we have enabled. Now we will go and check the what are the things a master side server and client side server we will see. So master side, first we will go with the master side. So this is also done. Okay, so this is also done now. Now master side. So master side, you have to go and create the file system. So anyhow, we already created. Let me show you. Oh, it's a temporary mounted. Anyhow, let me check the DF LVS. Yes, I will mount this mount slash dev slash data vg and Oracle LV on day IBM DB. I think IBM DB somewhere. Yeah, this is my file system, guys. This is my file system. Now I will use this file system. Then I will extend. I will export this file system. Okay. So if you want to export, so here. Okay. So let me move this into bottom, guys. So here. Okay. So here this is done, and this one export file system. How to export the file system? Now I will tell you. So simply you can edit this file configuration file slash etc slash exports. This is the file. Once you edited, you have to write in a format like your mount point name, and target server IP, then some options, guys. This is the format actually. I will write down the format. Okay. So let me go vi slash etc exports, edit this. So mount point name. I will pick up the mount point name, this one. Okay. Mount point name. Then target server IP, which means the client server IP. Okay, so even we can IP also we can display with this host name hyphen I. This is the name. So pick up this private IP. Make sure, guys, this is a private IP. So copy this. Then options. There are various options. You can go with the default one, rew and sync. Okay, so root underscore squash. Okay, okay, you can ignore this. Later we will see. Later also you can edit this file, not an issue. Okay, rw sync. There are many options. NFS export options. I will share one YouTube link, one blog link. You can walk through that. Okay, so in next video we will discuss about those options. Okay, so in this format you can add the file. Then simply you can execute this command exportfs hyphen a. See, done, guys. You successfully exported. Okay, once you added like this, then you can execute this command called exportfs hyphen a. That's it. Save this. Now, how to verify whether it is exported or not? How to verify? How will you come to know? You can simply use this command called showmount hyphen e command. That's it. Let me go and execute showmount hyphen e. Okay, so normally we are using the AWS, right? So sometimes it won't show actually. Okay, we don't have 100% control on the AWS missions. So that is the reason it is not showing, guys. So you can go on the client side, you can implement, not an issue. Okay, so let me cancel this. So behavior of this show mount sometimes making issue. Even in the real time also, always people are facing the issues. So the same issues only you have to explain in your interviews. Okay. So on so issue recently we faced. So how to overcome, what are the steps involved, RCA preparation. Okay. So all the things you have to explain. Fine. So as of now, we have performed a couple of steps in the master and client. Okay. And we exported from the master also. Then in the next video, I will show you how to mount that file system in the client side. Okay. That's it for this video because almost 10 minutes reached. So that is the reason I will explain the mount in the client server in the next video. Okay. Thank you guys.